Top 10 air defense systems in the world reflect a strategic shift toward layered network and high-speed interception capabilities. Modern warfare is increasingly dominated by aerial threats such as ballistic missile, hypersonic glide vehicles, armed drones, and stealth aircraft. To counter these threats, nations rely on advanced air defense systems that integrate radars, interceptors, missiles, command and control networks, and real-time surveillance. With rising geopolitical conflicts and missile proliferation, air defense systems now play a crucial role in protecting airspace, strategic assets, and civilian infrastructure worldwide. Air defense systems. Air defense systems are military technology designed to detect, track, intercept, and destroy hostile aerial objects including aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. These systems combine long-range surveillance radars, fire control radars, interceptor missiles, and battle management system into integrated air defense systems (IADS). As per global defense market estimates, the air defense system market was valued at USD 46.55 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $81.92 billion by 2035. Market projected to grow at a CAGR of 5.2% between 2025 and 2035. Driven by hypersonic threats, drone warfare, and missile modernization. Top 10 air defense systems in the world list. The top 10 air defense systems in the world are ranked based on operational range, interception altitude, target spectrum, combat performance, and technological sophistication. S-500, S-400 Triumph Russia. Third, United States. David Sling, Israel, USA. Patriot PAC-3 United States. S-300 VM NT-2500 Russia. Aster 30 SAMP/T France or Italy. HQ-9 China. Barak 8 India Israel. Iron Dome Israel. S-500 Prometheus. S-500 Prometheus is Russia's most advanced strategic air and missile defense system designed for next generation warfare. Maximum interception range of up to 600 km for ballistic targets and 500 km for aerial targets, capable of intercepting targets of altitude up to 180 to 200 km, including low Earth orbit threats. Interceptor missile speed reaches Mach 20, enabling hypersonic interception. Can simultaneously range 10 hypersonic targets traveling at 7 km per second. Designed to counter ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons, UAVs, and satellites. S-4 Triumph. The S-4 Triumph is a long-range multi-target air defense system widely deployed globally. Maximum engagement range of 400 km with altitude coverage of 30 to 56 km. Tracks and engages up to 36 targets simultaneously. Uses multiple interceptor missiles including 40M6, 48M6, and 9M96 variants. Effective against aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and UAVs. Operational in Russia, India, China, Turkey, and other countries. Third, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. Third is a high altitude ballistic missile defense system developed by the United States. Engagement range of approximately 200 km, interception altitude up to 150 km, enabling exo-atmospheric kills. Uses hit-to-kill kinetic interceptors without explosive. Interceptor speed exceeds Mach 8. Deployed in South Korea, UAE, and integrated with Patriot and Aegis systems. David Sling. David Sling is a medium to long-range missile defense system jointly developed by Israel and the United States. Effective range up to 300 km. Designed to intercept tactical ballistic missile, cruise missile, drones, and aircraft. Uses Stunner interceptor missile with dual seeker technology. Interceptor speed exceeds Mach 7. Forms a key layer between Iron Dome and Arrow system in Israel's defense architecture. Patriot PAC-3. Patriot PAC-3 is a combat-proven air and missile defense system manufactured by Raytheon. Engagement range of 160 to 170 km. Effective interception altitude up to 24 km. PAC-3 variants uses hit-to-kill technology widely deployed in over 17 countries including Japan, Germany, and Saudi Arabia. Integrated into multi-layered missile defense network alongside THAAD. S-300 VM/Antony 2500. S-300 VM is a mobile long-range air and missile defense system developed by Russia. Maximum engagement range of 250 km. effective interception altitude up to 30 km, capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, and intermediate range ballistic missiles. Interceptor missile speed exceeds Mach 7, deployed in countries such as Egypt and Venezuela. Aster 30 SAMP/T. Aster 30 SAMP/T is a European air defense system developed jointly by France and Italy. Operational range between 120 to 150 km. Interception altitude up to 25 km. Uses Aster 30 missiles with active radar homing, capable of engaging short-range ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. Deployed by France, Italy, and Singapore. HQ-9. HQ-9 is China's long-range surface-to-air missile system. Maximum engagement range of 200 km. Effective altitude of approximately 27 km. Incorporates phased array radar technology designed to counter aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Advanced variants include HQ-9B and HQ-9C. Barak 8. Barak 8 is a joint India-Israel air defense system designed for land and naval operations. Engagement range of 70 to 100 km. Interception altitude up to 20 km. Uses active radar seeker missiles, effective against aircraft, UAVs, cruise missiles, and anti-ship missiles. Deployed by Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and Israeli Defense Forces. Iron Dome. Iron Dome is a short-range air defense system developed by Israel for rocket interception. Effective range up to 70 km. Interception altitude around 10 km. Uses Tamir interceptor missiles. Achieved a combat success rate of over 90%. Designed to neutralize rockets, artillery shells, and mortars in real time.